Okay, let's open it up. It's Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Fly and Slide Clubhouse.
It got a door.
It does have a door.
Listen.
It's got Minnie and Mickey and all kinds of stuff.
It goes to be destroyed.
It's going to be destroyed? The box is going to be destroyed, huh?
Wait.
Look at all the parts. We'll have to find the directions and find out how to put it together.
And I got more stuff. See?
There's Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse.
It's hard.
Is it hard?
Yes.
This isn't. Okay. Let's turn this around like this. Then, let's see. Looks like this snaps into place.
I need to help put it to there. To there.
Okay, let's see.
This is,
So this
that is huge.
looks like it snaps in right here. That is kind of hard.
Done. Now.
Okay, there we go. We got the slide on. Now let's turn it around. Turn it around here. It's the inside of it. Look, here's all these other pieces too that came with it. Let's see where they go.
This goes.
Oh, look, there's his airplane.
It goes there. It goes there. And that whole the stick could go to the airplane.
This is a teeter-totter. That's just a teeter-totter. It goes anywhere. Doesn't have to be hooked in. Can put Mickey and Minnie in there. There, it's a teeter-totter. Look at that. Don't fall off, Mickey.
It's hard.
Okay, let's see. That purple piece up top. This goes on the purple piece up top.
Then this goes down.
Two little chairs, two little lawn chairs. How cute is that? Then where does this white one go? Oh, this is the part where the airplane goes on.
Then this goes there.
So let's see. Looks like this. Oh, dropped it. Like this probably goes in here. There we go.
What
and
about
then the airplane goes on there. Yeah, it sure does.
Now, away we go.
Now it's all ready to go.
Away. Now, put. First, I need to put Mickey Mouse on the airplane.
Oh, he fell out of the airplane like Humpty Dumpty. Fell out of the airplane. Don't break your crown.
Now, he's fine. Whee! This is fun!
It is so fun. Why don't you see if Minnie will go down the slide?
Okay. Then you push here. Go.
Woo! Boy, she went a-tumbling down the slide.
Knee, eight on tight. Here we go.
To the sky.
Wee, here goes sky.
To go all the way around?
Yes. See?
Whoa, cool. You want to put Mickey and Minnie in the teeter-totter?
Yes.
You could put them in their house. Cool. Woo!
Then fish.
Let's go and put them in their house and see if they like their house. Wow. I want to sit in the chair. Yay! Minnie's going to sit down and Mickey's standing up.
Then Nicky now walking to the door to a chair. Then he knocked on the door.
Hello, come on in. There we go. All right. Well, there it is, kids. There's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Fly and Slide. So we're going to continue playing here, but you come back and see us, because here at Slap Happy, every day is like Christmas. We'll have more toys, surprise eggs, all sorts of fun stuff. So we'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thanks so much for watching. Please go up on the screen and click the subscribe button to go to our channel and watch all these other videos that there's pictures of there. Or take a minute to click the thumbs up like button just to let us know that you think we're doing an okay job. We really appreciate it. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.